我洗的沙发垫，还能出去吗？好吓人，这风！快把我刮走吧！
A severe convective weather wave hit southern China on the evening of the 28th, triggered by the formation of a squall line system moving from west to east. According to Zhang Tao, chief forecaster at the National Meteorological Center, this system was first detected in Yunnan before expanding and strengthening as it moved east. Entering the morning of the 29th, Guizhou province was rocked by severe thunderstorms, accompanied by strong winds with intensity levels reaching level 8 to 10, with some locations even reaching level 11. This condition disrupted public activities and increased the risk of infrastructure damage. Throughout the same day, the impact of the extreme weather spread to Guangdong and Guangxi. Both regions experienced a series of intense thunderstorms with heavy rain and strong winds that came suddenly. The situation worsened on the 30th, when central and southern Guangdong were again hit by thunderstorms with wind speeds ranging from level 8 to 10, even reaching level 11 to 12 in some locations. Meteorological monitoring data showed the formation of several giant thunderstorm lines stretching hundreds of kilometers from north to south in Guangdong and Guangxi. This storm system brought heavy rain, intense lightning, and short duration but highly destructive gusts of wind, moving rapidly from west to east. Furthermore, central and southern Yunnan and Guangxi were also affected. Thunderstorms with similar wind strengths, ranging from level 8 to 10 to level 11 to 12, were reported locally, increasing the potential for hydrometeorological disasters. This extreme phenomenon was further exacerbated by reports of large hail in parts of western and southern Guangxi. The hail caused damage to farmland, vehicles, and residential buildings. Local meteorological authorities urged the public to be vigilant for the potential for further extreme weather, including strong winds, lightning, and hail, which could occur suddenly.